Hello everyone and welcome to Stamping with Ian. It's another unboxing video. Another one, I hear you cry. Yes, I did a bit of an order when I was inebriated. I wouldn't recommend it. Well, actually, yeah, I can recommend it actually because it's a really nice box that's come. But first of all, an apology for the last video. I failed to show you this gorgeous whale punch that comes with the whale of a time suite. How did I manage that? Let me just get a stamp set out just to remind you. There we go. There's also some beautiful DSP which the punch also cuts out. So love, love, love. Now then, for today's unboxing, it's the Playful Pets suite. So I don't have the stamp set, that's on back order at the moment. It's proven very, very popular. I do have some dies though, and I'm pleased to see that these plastics are now recyclable. Thank you, Stampin' Up. So these are the Pets dies. Let's have a look at them, shall we? Ooh. Those, that's obviously a curled up cat. Paws, that's a doggy one. That's probably a doggy one, is it? Is that a pussycatty one? Possibly. Yeah. I can't tell, I don't have the stamp set. But yeah, let's switch that round. And then I'll make a label for this. I label them at the top with the name of the die, how many dies are supposed to be, and the name of the coordinating stamp set underneath. And the stamp set also gets a sticker with the name of these dies on, so I always know what goes with what. So I've got those dies. We've got some beautiful ribbon here. So I'm guessing that's real red or something, is it? They don't put any wording on these combo ribbons. It's quite annoying actually. Playful Pets Trim Combo Pack. Let me go to the website and we'll have a quick look, shall we? Assuming my internet's going to behave itself. It seems to have been playing up a bit today, quite annoyingly. No, is it not behaving? This site can't be reached. Let's try it again. Reload. Okay, never mind. I'll add in the description what colours they are, if I remember, which I hope I will. Embellishments in the suite. You get, it's a pack of 20, so I'm guessing 10 of each. And there you have. Let me stand up. A heart and a bone. Adorable, aren't they? The suite, of course, comes with DSP, which is here. This is the Playful Pets Designer Series paper. Oops, daisy, sorry about that. Ooh, now then, this is going to be perfect for my scan and cut. That's going to be so easy to cut those out. Love, love, love. And what's on the back side? Some stripes. Okay. Oh, some bigger dogs. And paw prints and hearts. Lovely. Then we have pussycats. Yay! With whiskers on the reverse of that. Pussycats again. And the reverse of this one is fish and hearts. Dear me. So freaking adorable. Ooh, bowls, bones and paws. And the reverse is woof, dig, chase, scratch, wag, play, love. Okay, so that's a doggy one then. With bones and a collar. You see that? So is the next one going to be a cat one, I wonder? Yay! Fishes. I don't know what they are. That's something to play with. A bowl, cat food, paws, feathers that they play with, of course. And the reverse. Love, meow, purr, snooze, yawn, paw, jump, love, meow. Yeah. So similar sort of thing. That's gorgeous, isn't it? I love that paper. I'll even buy another one actually. All the stamps, the website's come to life now. So let me go to sweets, shop products, product sweets, playful pets, and the ribbon combo pack is real red stitched gross grain ribbon with white stitching 1/8 of an inch, 5 yards. And the other one is black and white baker's twine, 1/16 of an inch, 10 yards of that. So there we go, that's that dealt with. So there we go. Oh no, there's one more thing, isn't there? I nearly forgot. I nearly forgot. This was actually the only thing on the order originally. You guess what it is? Let me get it. Where are we? Where's the, there we go. It's the Stampin' Up cardigan. I got the double extra large. Yeah, because I'm not exactly svelte at the moment. Here comes with a little Stampin' Up thing. What I am worried about, who sells a cardigan without any buttons? How do you fasten it? There's not even a belt with it to tie around, so I think that's going to be a little job with my new sewing machine that I've managed to thread but haven't used yet, is to add some buttons to this. But it's lovely. It's 60%, where are we? 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. So yeah, it feels really, really nice, and I love the pattern. The pattern and the colours. I'm guessing Night of Navy and Flirty Flamingo or Calypso Coral, with some Daffodil Delight in there as well, maybe. So yeah, love it to bits. I wanted it originally when it first came out, but I wasn't paying £55 for it. So I'm quite chuffed it's come down. So you'll see me wearing that probably if I ever get round to doing 2 camera videos. Just have a quick drink. So if you've liked this video, then oh, before I do that, I do have these, you know, from way back. Designer vintage buttons. Maybe I could add these. Maybe I could add these to it. I've got some of the different ones. There you go. Those probably, yeah. They might go quite nice with it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Yeah. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, please. Please subscribe. I'm slowly climbing up to 1,000. when I'll be able to do YouTube lives for you. When you subscribe, ring the bell. Please, please, please. Do the bell. You'll always know when something's on the boil then. I always do premieres. They're always Wednesdays and Fridays at 8 p.m. UK time. So you can set your diaries, alarm clocks and what have you. Whatever you're doing today, have a lovely time. And I will see you all again soon. Bye now.